We outfitted our camper with one 340-watt solar panel mounted to the cargo racks, providing power to a portable solar generator inside a 𝗪𝗓𝗄 toolbox. Two SOK 12-volt lithium iron phosphate batteries provide plenty of energy storage capacity for all of our electrical needs. We added on a couple of fused 12-volt receptacles for powering up our hot water heater and a mini air compressor.
One of the concerns with a solar generator is you need to have adequate airflow because these components can get really hot, especially with the sun beating down on it. So we did a custom install of 4 little air vents on the toolbox. These are nice little air vents that also include a bug screen on the outside. The whole thing closes nicely. And we've got a solar generator in a box.
Even on a cloudy day, our solar generator is at full charge. All of our energy needs are met without the need for gas, propane, or an electrical hookup. This is about living free and doing the right thing for the planet. We built a custom 11-gallon hot water system with a 12-volt electric heater powered by the solar generator. Check out our rooftop shower video detailing its construction. Solar radiation into the shower tube, combined with the electric heater, provides long hot showers at the end of our day. Our kitchen is outside and includes a large pantry to keep our non-perishable food well organized.
And what we're using is a stowaway 2 swing arm hitch. This thing is amazing. Here we have our cargo platform. Now on top of that, one of the things we'll place is what we call our pantry, which is basically a metal toolbox from Tractor Supply.
We purchased a magnetic induction cook surface for our kitchen and decided to try it out with the solar generator. We were amazed at how little energy it used to boil a whole pot of water in under 4 minutes. No propane required. This has become the only stove we use when camping and in our home, all on solar.
So when we wake up in the morning, nature will be our view. And Jeffrey could bring me coffee. And we've got a cubby for me. And sliding over, we have a cubby for Jeffrey and a really comfortable bed. And what we wanted was not a lot of clutter. All kinds of things that break because we're going overlanding. So it's going to get bumpy. That's about it. What we decided to do is live out of the box.